Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today in this video I will show with you how you can add a music bot called KenaBot on your Discord server. So guys, first thing you have to do is go your own server Discord and click here, drop down, select the app directory option, and the app directory option search bar on KenaBot like this word. Enter here your keyboard search from here and select this one, and you make sure guys you have correct server and continue. Click add server and authorize all this and confirm you are human. Just going to try and open the browser and go back on your Discord server. As you can see here, this server is added successfully. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to like, share this video and subscribe to my channel for more content and ideas. See you soon guys.